1789, a German chemist by the name of Martin Heinrich Klaproth discovered uranium.
Uranium's atomic number is 92. The atomic symbol is a capital U. The melting point is 1,135 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is 4,131 degrees Celsius. And uranium has 92 protons and 92 electrons.
Uranium is a heavy silvery white metal which is pyrophoric when finely divided. It is a little softer than steel and is malleable, ductile, and slightly paramagnetic. In air, the metal becomes coated with a layer of oxide. Acids dissolve the metal, but it is unaffected by alkalis. Uranium can also be formed into glass, and it will glow green under an ultraviolet light.
Canada provides 23% of the world's production of uranium, while Australia claims 21%, Kazakhstan claims 16%, Namibia claims 7%, and Russia claims 8%.
This animated 3D model shows a cutaway view of a nuclear reactor. In the core of the reactor vessel, uranium undergoes fission and creates heat. The pressurized water in the primary loop carries the heat to the steam generator. Inside the steam generator, water from a secondary supply is heated and converted to steam. The steam line directs the steam to the main turbine, causing it to turn the turbine generator, which produces electricity.
In 2009, 13 to 14% of the world's electricity came from nuclear power.
So as you can see, the accelerated neutron is fired into the nucleus of the uranium particle, causing it to split into barium and krypton and other neutrons. Then these other neutrons shoot into the nuclei of other uranium particles. This principle can be used in both nuclear reactors and within bombs. However, there are risks within nuclear power. One of the most well-known nuclear accidents of catastrophic proportions was the Chernobyl disaster that happened on the 26th of April, 1986, at the Chernobyl nuclear power plant in Ukraine. It is considered the worst nuclear power plant accident in history. A spike in power caused the rupture of a reactor vessel as well as a series of explosions. The people who were within the reactor died, and even people outside died from radiation poisoning. All in all, this causes the deaths of many people. Another problem with nuclear energy is the radioactive waste that comes from the nuclear process of fission, and the lack of storage facilities to store such matter. This is an example of a proposed storage facility that will be constructed in Yucca Mountain. Another use for uranium would be within bombs. This is an example of fission, only this time taking place within a bomb. Two examples of bombs that use nuclear fission and uranium would be the Little Boy and Fat Man, which were both dropped during World War II on major cities of Japan. On August 6, 1945, at 8:15 a.m., the little boy was dropped on Hiroshima. On August 9, 1945, at 11:02 a.m., the Fat Man was dropped on Nagasaki.